Hello ATAR students and welcome to biology for 2022. So there are 4 units in biology, 2 you do in grade 11 and 2 you do in grade 12. In grade 11 you do unit 1 and 2, the cells and multicellular organisms and maintaining the internal environment. In grade 12 you do units 3 and 4, biodiversity and the interconnectedness of life, and heredity and the continuance of life. So there are 4 types of assessment. You do these 4 types of assessment in both years. So you start with a data test, which we'll be doing near the end of term 1. Then you do a student experiment, where we'll actually do a scientific experiment and write it up. A research investigation, where you research a investigative question in biology. And finally, an end of year exam that's worth 50% of your final grade. Here you can see it as a diagram. So in unit 1, you'll have a data test and a student experiment based on cells and multicellular organisms. In grade 11, this assessment is formative, whereas in grade 12, it is summative. Okay? And then in unit 2 for grade 11s, you'll do your research investigation and your final exam on both units. In grade 12, you'll do a data test and a student experiment on unit 3, a research investigation on unit 4, and a summative external assessment on both units. Every semester in your biology course is worth 1 QCE point. So you can get 4 QCE points over the total of the 2 years. However, in grade 12, units 3 and 4 both contribute to the 2 points. You have to pass both of them to get your 2 points. Here is a calendar that should give you an idea of what you'll be learning. So in grade 11, for about half the year, we'll be doing unit 1. So the second half of the year, we'll be doing unit 2. And if we have time, hopefully we'll be able to start unit 3 at the end of the year. Grade 12s, you'll be doing unit 3 for the first half, unit 4 for the second half, and then finally your external exams. Okay, so for each topic, you'll be given a student planner. That's in your pack for this week. Okay, this tells us what we'll be doing each lesson, and it lists learning goals and success criteria. These are very important. They're taken from the syllabus and they tell you exactly what you need to know for your exam and the depth, particularly at which you need to know it. Use this as your study guide. Okay, so tick the boxes on your planner that say, I know this, I don't know this, I need help with this, and that gives you a guide of what you know and what you need to learn. So what does all of this mean? It means you always have to try your best. Every lesson counts, and at the end of the year, the exam covers everything. So you have to come to as many lessons as you can. You need to be organized from day 1 with your worksheets, taking clear notes, doing your homework. Okay, homework and frequent revision, so work outside of class, particularly for your assessments, is going to be very important. If you miss a lesson or you know you're going to be away, it's very important that you organize with a classmate or your teacher to get all the notes for the lesson that you've missed. Because remember, at the end of the year, everything is on the exam. Okay, so we have these textbooks at school that you'll be using, and we'll be working through them as we work through the year. I'll also give you copies of all the PowerPoints and lesson notes, as well as additional websites and readings that you can read to help you with your learning. Okay, you'll be assigned laptops at the beginning of the year. Make sure you have them at every lesson. We will be using them. Okay, and remember to always back up your assessments. Nothing more annoying than doing assessment work and then losing it because you didn't save it. Okay, so what will we be doing this week in week 2 during learning from home? I want you to refer to your planners that you've been given. The first 3 success criteria have been highlighted. They're the 3 that you're going to be learning. It's particularly important to pay attention to your cognitive verbs. Okay, these are in bold and they tell you exactly what you need to do. Do you need to identify? Do you need to explain? Do you need to contrast or compare? So grade 11 students, you're starting unit 1, topic 1, cells are the basis of life. Okay, you were learning all about cell membranes this week. Cell membranes are the walls that surround the cells that make up all life on Earth. Okay, on your planners, this is learning goal 1, success criteria is 1 to 3. Work through the booklet and have a go at the questions, okay? Each booklet has a piece of text to read and then some questions for you to check your understanding. Remember, tick the boxes on your planner to show the level of understanding. For Year 12 students, you are doing Unit 1, Topic 1, describing biodiversity. You're learning all about biodiversity this week. Okay, that's Learning Goal 1, Success Criteria 1 to 3 on your planner. Work through the provided booklets and have a go at all of the questions. Okay, and again, remember to tick the boxes on your planner to show your level of understanding. There's no shame in saying, I don't understand, I need more help. That way I know that we need to revisit that topic. Okay, again, my name is Mr. Lewis. If you have any questions throughout the week on your phone, just email me at jxlew2@eq.edu.au and I'll be more than happy to help. Good luck, guys, and I'll see you in a week.